Hugs. Good girl.
Let's see
You
what
can't do
else
as many
Skip will
fancy
do.
things.
That's okay.
You want a bag? Front? Bag? Good girl.
Oh, very nice. And she can shake and high five.
Can we see her bag again?
Yep, bag. I like when she can sit on her own. That doesn't happen very often. You can spin. Spin.
Good girl.
Okay. Down. Roll over.
Good girl.
Could you ask her to bag stand so I see
Yep.
the picture?
Okay. Front.
It's just so cute.
Big.
And she does it so nice.
Oh,
She's
girl.
like, hi.
Oh, sorry.
One more time.
She likes treats, so it's okay. Big. Come on. Big.
She just,
Girl.
I love it. Very nice.